Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to edit a review on Etsy. So for this one I will use my browsing system, and you should go to official website of Etsy that is called Etsy.com. And now at homepage you want to go to your account in the upper right corner of your screen and then go to section that is called Purchases and Reviews. So now below the line that says your purchases, you want to find exact order that you need. And now you should see something similar to what I have on my screen. This is a screenshot of some kind of item. And basically, if you already have left review for this item, you should see that these little stars, they should be active. I mean that they should be black. And okay, so let's suppose that I have left, for example, 2 stars for this item, and I want to change it now for 5 stars. So what I have to do now is just tap on the star rating. So I tap 5-star button, and I will be redirected then to this window, leave a review window, where basically you can change your star rating right here. And also in this field you should see your review that you have left previously. So this is your comment section, and if you want to change it, you can apply some changes. And of course, if you want to add a photo to your review, you can do that, but that's not necessary because it's optional thing. And of course, do not forget to save your new edited review. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.